We built the Kia Niro EV to go up to 239 miles in a single charge. With the same intuitive safety features we put in all Niros. We went to the ends of the earth to build the Kia Niro EV because the earth is worth the effort. Visit your local authorized Kia EV dealer or kia.com/Niro to learn about the Kia Niro lineup. All backed by our 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty.
EPA estimated 239-mile range at a full charge. Actual range may vary. Warranty refers to a limited powertrain warranty. See retailer for details. Call 800-333-4KIA. Always drive safely.
What makes the perfect workout? Being able to ride, lift, and stretch in one place with motivating instructors.
Y'all look so good out there, Peloton.
Classes that always work around your busy summer schedule.
Push, Peloton, you've got 20 minutes of opportunity on this ride.
Instructor-curated playlists for every mood.
Let's turn it up, come on.
Now what if you had it all? Right at home. The Peloton Bike. Nothing like working out from home. Visit Peloton.com to learn more.
Let's go shop small, LA. Let's get ready for a weekend out revisiting some old favorites. Then go find some new ones. Let's get dressed up to go back downtown. Let's grab a bite at Open Sesame on Beverly Boulevard. And experience LA in every possible sense. Let's pick the conversation back up, right where we left it. Let's go visit our favorite small businesses today. Then, let's go again. Let's go shop small with Amex.
Check.
Stop now.
Alright lads, let's get it done. Bounty target identified. Slot the bastard. Bounty target is down.
Nice.
Well done.
Mic check.
Yeah.
Thank you. Anyone else got a mic?
Bro, I need help. People over here.
Are you purple? Let's go.
Enemies in the area!
Move it out. Move it.
Ah, shit.
Enemy UAV overhead.
He's here. Ah, shit.
No way. What the fuck, nigga? What the fuck? Motherfuckers.
You're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment.
What?
Fight's kicking off. Right, you're next. Win here and you return to the front line. You lose, your fight is over. Time to earn your freedom, soldier. Go back to the front line. Oh, Enemy UAV overhead. Teammates in the gulag. If they survive, they can redeploy.
We're in safe zone. Watch for enemy.
Enemy UAV overhead. Your teammate got a proper story. We're sending them home. You're all that's left. Get it done. Enemy UAV overhead. UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy team is tracking your position. Enemy UAV overhead. Enemy UAV overhead. Loadout drop inbound.
Throwing grenade.
The enemy took that one, but we'll be
Throwing
back
frag.
to finish the job.